Hello again! In the previous tutorial, I showed you the main operating functions of Webasto's BlueCool MyTouch display. Now, we want to take a closer look at the more technical settings within the display's crew menu. Just to let you know, the crew menu is intended for authorized professionals and should only be accessed by Webasto-trained personnel. Any changes done without having a deeper knowledge of its functions can cause system problems. The good news is that the MyTouch display is very easy to initialize. By connecting the MyTouch display to your device, the initialization starts automatically. When the first screen turns on, you can see the display's firmware version as well as the name and the firmware version of the connected AC unit. After a few seconds, the MyTouch display goes automatically to the home screen, which is the starting point for all main functions. The notification symbol appears on the bottom status line to draw your attention to the current status of the system. Tap the symbol to show the corresponding status message. Please note that troubleshooting requires comprehensive knowledge of the individual components of the air conditioning system. It may only be carried out by authorized professionals trained by Webasto for this purpose. To now access the more advanced crew menu, just tap and hold the Webasto logo in the left corner. Tap the right and the left arrow to move through the menu. To get back to the home screen, wait 30 seconds. Then the display resumes to the home screen automatically. Alternatively, just tap the arrow in the left corner. Please note, setting options and order of settings may vary depending on the connected BlueCool series device. For more information, please check your operating instructions. Now the first setting we select is the operating mode. By a simple tap, you can set the required operating mode like cooling only, heating only, or for example heating only with external heater. The green tick symbol marks the current selection. The menu resumes to the home screen automatically after 30 seconds. The value last set is always adopted. To go to the previous level, tap the left arrow. After the operating mode, we go to the setting dehumidification cycle, where you can edit the number of cycles per day, the heating time and the cooling time in minutes. Choosing the option cycles per day, the heating and cooling cycles can be activated for up to 3 times in 24 hours. After going back one step and selecting heating time, the heating time per dehumidification cycle can be regulated. This can be set for 1 up to 99 minutes. Respectively, choosing the option cooling time, the cooling time per dehumidification cycle can be regulated. As well, this can be set for 1 up to 99 minutes. After going back to the main page of the crew menu, I select Fault Protocol to view a detailed list of the last 10 error entries. Besides, here you can see the events counter, the fault code, the fault counter, and the operating time in hours. After that, we go back to the main page and onto the next page of the crew menu. Selecting the operating values, we can check the cold water temperature, the supply frequency of the power supply, and the voltage of the power supply. The values displayed here depend on the connected AC unit. Now we go back to the crew menu and see the option Firmware. This shows you the current firmware version of the connected AC unit. By tapping the display settings, you can save or reset the current display settings. Please note, the setting Chiller Unit with Cabin Control is only available for the Webasto C, P and V series. By deselecting this, you will see a different home screen, showing you the current parameters of the connected AC unit. For our tutorial, we keep the option Chiller Unit with Cabin Control. As a last step, we can go to the option System Settings. In the System Settings, you can find advanced technical settings that should only be changed by authorized and Webasto trained professionals. Any changes done without having a deeper knowledge of those functions can cause system problems. For help and support, please contact your authorized Webasto Marine dealer. Thanks for watching this advanced tutorial video of the BlueCool MyTouch display. I hope you enjoyed it. For further information, please visit the following link or contact the Webasto subsidiary of your country. See you soon!